Alright, so I'm finally back again with another update on the mosin-nagant project. So yeah, it's been like a little over 2 years since my last update. Kind of lost motivation to work on this or any kind of papercraft stuff for that matter until a couple weeks ago I picked it up again. And I think what I'll do with this is, well, I have to mostly make some cosmetic changes to the stock. Also not sure if I'll keep this color, but we'll see how that goes, and then make the sides, and after that I think I'll just gonna call this one finished. Otherwise it's just gonna keep on forever. And actually, you know, I think it's not bad looking the way it is now, and mechanically it's all functional, so no reason to keep working on this for that much longer. And after that I can start making videos on the new project that I've been working on. Actually I've been making videos for that already, but once this one is completed, I'll upload stuff for that. So stay tuned and I'll see you guys next time.